Hey guys, what's up? It's T here. Today I will be showing you how to build a hidden door that goes inside your staircase. Press the button and your door opens and closes. And the best part about this is if you press the button and you just start running to try to make it, you will make it as soon as it opens. So let's get started. To build this, you will need a few things. Mainly 15 pieces of redstone dust, 4 redstone repeaters, 8 sticky pistons, 5 observers, 1 block of redstone, a button to activate it. I'd recommend some scaffolding blocks, just so that you can, get up to where you need to place it. 34 stairs, any type. 9 slabs, again of any type. And 11 blocks of any type. I'd recommend getting a few extra blocks and stairs just so that you can make it look nicer. The first step is you're going to want to go 6 blocks up. 6. Then, right here, on the 7th block up. So there should be 6 blocks between this piston and the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you want another piston next to it. And then this is the tricky bit. You need a piston here. This is what your scaffolding is for. You need to place pistons so that you have an upside down L like this. This bottom piston here should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks between it and the ground. Then you want some blocks here, like this. And then 2 repeaters with observers on top of them. Now you can put any delay on here, but I'd recommend just doing 0. Then you want 2 pieces like that connecting it. And then you're going to want to go down, like this. And then into here. This is going to go out 3 blocks from there. Well, 4 actually, but let's get that one in a second. So you're going to want a redstone dust going into here, with a repeater here. Then you want a piston with another block on this side with a repeater. Place a block there. That block does have to be a full block, with then a sticky piston on the other side. Then you want your redstone block there. Next, this is a tricky bit. You need to put a slab up next to it, like this. It should be a block away, and it should be on the top block, so you can place redstone dust on it. Then you want to go off to, and again, another tricky one, you have to place it here, so that you should be able to run that to there. And then, same thing, again, here, like this. Going up to here, and then you want 3 slabs, all with redstone dust on it. Now here's a tricky bit. You need to have observers facing like this, with their face looking down. And then a third observer looking with its face facing here, facing this. So now what should happen is when this T flip-flop is what it's called, this will make this spit out, and it will stay here, which will then cause these pistons to spit out their block, and it will then be up here. So now, what you want to do is place a button here, and place stairs here. You also need 2 blocks here, otherwise it won't work. Next, you press the button, and it'll pop up. Now, you want to place your stairs. Now this is designed so that your stairs will fit perfectly in between it. So now, you just place them, and you're good to go. So I'm going to place those really quick. No, I would recommend just making your staircase a little bit wider. It just makes it look nicer. And that's what those extra stairs were for. So let's place those. Okay, and now, if you press your button over here, it will open up your door. Now what I would recommend doing is making a nice little tunnel for your door to lead to, so that no one is walking through your door and then just falling into the void. So place that as wide. You can make this go out as far as you want, and I'd also recommend filling in the side here like I did over here, just to make it look nicer. Although obviously, if this is a build, this could be a wall. So then, press the button, opens and closes. Obviously, you can hook this up into your own secret activation device. You wouldn't just break through a wall and press a button. You could even hook it up so that it would turn on and then turn itself off and close it after a little bit of a delay. But that is not going to be covered in this video. So yeah, hidden staircase, press the button, open it, press the button and close it. Yeah. Bye!